Now we'll download and configure Java on Mac. So although we are doing all the configuration on Mac, but I would still recommend you to go through these configuration that we have already done it on Windows, right? So in order to configure Java on Mac, you need to follow the same steps. I mean, simply say download JDK. We'll be doing it for 1.8, and this is the link that we're going to follow. For Mac, this is the 64-bit operating system, OS X. So you need to download this DMG file. It's just like an installer file. Once you double click, you can say next, next, and it gets installed on your machine. Now during the installation, you're gonna see some like Java inside this folder. You need to go to your search and search for library, and the library you'll find Java. Now if you open this, this is where you'll find the Java virtual machines and your JDK 1.8 installed. So after this JDK is installed, you'll need to go to this home directory, and here in bin you'll find your Java file. So now there are some additional steps that we need to follow in order to configure Java globally on Mac, that is setting up some environment variables. So in order to set up environment variables of Java, we need to have a bash profile on our machine. So that, like, we're going to go to terminal and say open dot bash underscore profile. So you're going to see a bash profile, something like this. Like, I have a lot of things already configured. Now, initially, there might be a chance that you may not have this bash profile on your machine. So what you need to do is just write touch.bash underscore profile. Now, once you enter it, it will going to create the bash profile. And in order to open it, you just need to write open dot bash underscore profile. So this will gonna give you a plain text file, something like this. You will not gonna have anything over here. The very first thing you need to do is write this statement. So that is export java underscore home equal to the path of your home folder of Java. So that you'll gonna find it over here. So this is the home folder, right? So just get this path because Java is inside the bin folder. And once you write this statement, once you have created Java underscore home variable, and this you need to provide it to your path variable. So you need to write export path equal to dollar path colon Java underscore home backslash bin. That's it. Only this much you need to do, right? So don't worry about other configuration that I have already done. So just follow this much part, create this line and this Java home variable. That's it. So once you do this much, your environment variables for the Java is globally configured, and now you can again go to terminal and type java -version. Should show you the current version of Java on your machine, right? So this is the only stuff you need to do in order to install, configure Java, and configure the environment variables for Java. All right.